So this gutter is so clogged, the downspout is clogged, and this is why you need to get your gutters cleaned and covered with something, because the water can't get away from your home. It goes behind your gutter and then rots your fascia board, that's what the gutter is attached to. So I'm going to get this all cleaned out and properly flowing down the downspout to keep the water away from the house. That's why you need them cleaned regularly and put a quality screen on them. Then you don't have to clean them nearly as much. So give me a call and we'll take care of you. Thank you.